Hello Shaper, today we are going to see about top 5 most expensive NFT. Number 5, Decentraland Digital Object, land at 22.2 price, 345 ETH. To stress the scale of the deal, it's important to note that at the moment of the deal 345 Ethereum was equal to $621,997. Decentraland Virtual Space, a decentralized platform implemented using the Ethereum blockchain technology. The key concept in Decentraland is land, a scarce digital asset backed by smart contracts in Ethereum, which are tracts of virtual land. Land ownership is secured by NFTs. The trick is that players can move only in the areas of virtual land they own, or in public areas. So the virtual land is extremely important in this game, and the area at 22.2 is sold for an insane 345 ETH due to its advantageous location in the game. Number 4, F1 Delta Time Digital Object, 111 price, 415.9 Ethereum. To stress the scale of the deal, it's important to note that at the moment of deal 415.9 Ethereum was equal to $749,031. The game targets Formula 1 fans who can collect, sell and exchange unique cars, accessories, and even drivers, and also compete using these digital objects. 111 has a kind of sacred sense for F1 Delta Time gamers, that's why it was sold for such an incredible amount of ETH. Number 3, Decentraland Digital Object, 12,600 price, 514 ETH. To stress the scale of the deal, it's important to note that at the moment of the deal 514 Ethereum was equal to $925,708. The third most expensive NFT in our ranking also comes from Decentraland, which is a decentralized virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum platform. As it was marked above, the main asset in Decentraland is land, which is limited and has core value for users. Also, it's important to note that at the moment of purchase there was a very scarce amount of land left. So that's why the huge 12,600 piece of land was valued so high. Number 2, CryptoKitties Digital Object, Dragon price, 600 Ethereum. To stress the scale of the deal, it's important to note that at the moment of the deal 600 Ethereum was equal to $1,081,164. One of the most expensive NFTs ever sold was Dragon, the collectible unique character from the renowned CryptoKitties game. This online game allows players to buy, sell, collect, and breed virtual cats of various types. The game is a DApp that uses the Ethereum blockchain. That is not the first time a digital cat. Number 1, CryptoPunks Digital Object, Alien price, 605 ETH. To stress the scale of the deal, it's important to note that at the moment of the deal 605 Ethereum was equal to $1090,046. The most recent and fresh record of the NFT world belongs to the ultra-rare collectible alien character from the CryptoPunks art platform. Basically, this digital object doesn't have any implementation. It is perceived as a piece of art and is one of the oldest CryptoPunks world characters. At the moment, the NFT which secures the ownership of this piece of art is the most expensive token of this kind ever sold in history.